What's up YouTube? One in a million coming back with another video. I'm about to show you how I'm gonna transform my truck into, well, not transform, but I'm gonna change out my tail lights and attempt to put the 5th gen heavy duty tail lights, which if you don't know already, they're the exact size and only the 25, 35, 2019s. Their taillights are the exact same size as the 4th gen taillights. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to do the conversion. A major shout out to Retro Shop, who built the kit that I am gonna try to install today, and let's see what happens. I'm gonna attempt to take this 7-point pin connector out and plug in the Retro Shop harness. So let's go ahead and do it. So here we go. We have the harness here for the heavy duty tail lights here, provided by Retro Shop. Like I said, there's an adapter here that goes to the OEM one, and this plugs into the factory. And this harness here, as you can see, plugs in. Since I have the incandescent lights, which are the non-LED tail lights, came factory with my truck. They sent me that harness, and here we go with the tail lights. Great looking tail light, if you say so myself. I had it customized as well. Had it painted to my truck. PX8. Okay, so what I did is I connected the factory harness, which I unplugged and plugged into the Retro Shop one. And then there's also a bypass which goes to the OEM connection there. I'm running up the wires up to where the tail lights go, where the connections are, hook them up, and hopefully they work. So I actually tried putting the taillights myself, but it was a major fail. But not only that, because what was happening is the taillight on the right hand side, it wasn't gaining, I guess, power or anything like that. So the red strip wasn't even turning on. So there was an issue with the right side, which I didn't got corrected. I had to send the harness back to Retro Shop. They sent me a new harness, and then I went back to, I didn't install it myself. I was like, fuck that. So I went to HID Factory. Shout out to Travis and all the guys there. They do a really good job. Make sure you go follow them. They're the ones who installed my Morimoto headlights. Make sure you see that video as well. Anyways, you know, they took care of it. They did a great job as usual, and now they're functioning. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the issue. I mean, it doesn't really bother me, but whatever. You let me know, people. You know more than I do in certain situations about this. So I have my taillights installed, and you see left rear turn signal light out. Let's wait for the other one. Right rear turn signal light out. I mean, okay, service airbag. Okay, I don't have airbags, so I replaced my seats. High beam out because of the Morimotos. Let's see what else. Oh crap, backup light out. Man, what's working in this damn truck? Parking light out. Damn. Come on, keep it going. What else? Okay, now you see all those error messages? All right, let's go ahead and show you the exact problem. High. See? Big issue. So as you can see, I have my tail lights turned on. Pretty cool right now. I just left it on the light so I can show you the bar. It's pretty bright. It's a paint match. I had Retro Shop paint match this area right here. Got the ram in red as well. I didn't want to tint these here because I wanted just to leave it like that to just add a little bit of, you know, variety into my truck, because I don't want it just to be all blacked out and everything. So here's how it works. So here are the brakes, here are the backups right here. Let me show you the other side as well. Same thing here. I like it. It's a great look. 5th gen, and it fits well. Look, fits right well. See, let's go down. So now what I have turned on are the emergency lights. As you can see, it's flashing red. Everything works. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, everyone. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Would you buy them? I know they're very expensive, but what do you think about it? See, it looks great. I personally love it. I wouldn't go back to any other tails. Previously, I had the Recon tail lights. It had the C as well, but it's not as big as this right here. I like this much cleaner look. 5th gen tails on the 4th gen RAM, people.